Good morning, kindergartners. Today we're going to work on Mission 3, Lesson 3, and we're still working with measurement. Today our objective is that we can make a series of longer than and shorter than comparisons, and we've been working on longer than and shorter than all week, so this should be something that you're starting to get more familiar with. So today we have a mystery bag of items, and there are going to be all sorts of things in this item. And today we're going to measure them using a popsicle stick. And guess what color this popsicle stick is? It's green. So we're going to use this green popsicle stick to measure some items I'm pulling out of a bag over here. So we're going to use our chart similar to what we used yesterday. The first thing we're going to measure in comparison to our green popsicle stick is an ink pen. So remember we talked about those common endpoints, so have them lined up. So where would the pen go? Would it go under longer than a popsicle stick or shorter than a popsicle stick? You're right. Our pen would go under longer than a popsicle stick. So here's our longer than a popsicle stick. Now, the next item is a sticky note. Here's my sticky notes right here. I write notes on those all the time. So we want to compare that to our popsicle stick. So looking here, are those sticky notes longer or shorter than a popsicle stick? Very good. They're going to go in the shorter side. Okay. The next thing we have is a ticket. Let's look at this ticket. Is our ticket longer than or shorter than the popsicle stick? I have my endpoints lined up. What do y'all think? Look at it close. Very good. It's shorter than the popsicle stick. Okay. So now we compared things using this popsicle stick. I want to compare them using something different. And I want to look at how those measurements change if we use a different item. So the next thing we're going to use to compare those very same items out of my bag is a crayon. So as we're doing that, we're going to use this crayon to measure, and we're going to see if anything changed. So on this list, we say that the pen is longer than the popsicle stick. And then we said the sticky note and the ticket are shorter than the popsicle stick. So we're going to use the same chart, same items, different measuring tool to decide whether these items are longer or shorter than. So here, we're going to go back in the same order. We have our pen, and we're comparing it to a crayon. So where does our pen fall this time? Is it longer or shorter? Okay, it's longer. Next, we have our sticky note. Our sticky note, I have it lined up. Is it longer than or shorter than my crayon? What area does that go in? Does it go in the side that says longer than the crayon or shorter than the crayon? Very good. If you look here, our sticky note is longer than the crayon. And the next item we have to compare is our ticket. Looking at our ticket, is it longer than our crayon or shorter than our crayon? It goes in the shorter than the crayon category. So now let's make that comparison. This is items that we measured with our crayon. We had the sticky note and the pen are longer. And then if we look back, we only have the pen over here. And why do y'all think that is? Why do you think that the measurements changed? What category they went in changed depending on the tool we use to measure? Think about that for a second. So what did we know changed? We saw that the sticky note now moved into larger than the crayon. And if you think about why that happened, well, why did that happen? That happened because the crayon is shorter than the popsicle stick. So our measuring tool changed. So then that changed how we sorted these items. I hope y'all have a great day, and we're going to continue with measurement tomorrow.